Hi, I'm Danny Hiner. I'm the COO of Tamarack Aerospace Group in Sandpoint, Idaho. I've spent my entire life in certified aircraft manufacturing. I started as a painter when I was 18 years old in an aircraft factory. I worked my way up to Vice President of Production of that company. My second stint was with a startup company called Quest Aircraft, where I took over as production manager there and worked there until we had the aircraft certified and into production. I came over to Tamarack Aerospace in 2012 as a production manager. As the company grew and the need manifested itself, I moved into the COO role. The best part of working at Tamarack is the people I get to rub shoulders with every day. At Tamarack, we've assembled an unbelievable crew of people. I like to say I'm associated with an all-star team every day. And the group of people we've got here are intelligent, they're friendly, they're lively, very creative, and they've got some great ideas. And you put all those people together, it's just a great environment to be in. And the culture that comes from that is one where everybody is heard, everybody gets to participate, not has to. You know, everybody always asks me, aren't you a pilot? You've been in this industry for almost 40 years. Why don't you fly? When I get off work, I like to get away from the airport, hop on my motorcycle and go for a ride, take the boat out on the lake and take a group of friends and just have a good time that way and just kind of get away from the airport. I also love to do anything with my sons and my grandkids. As much time as I can spend with them is the most valuable thing in my life right now. I think the future of aerospace is going to be very exciting. I think you're going to see new, sleeker designs. You'll see technologies come alive that everyone is witnessing right now through electric-powered aircraft, hydrogen-powered aircraft, things like that. But you'll see these designs change, and the laws of aerodynamics will probably be challenged a lot over the next 20 to 50 years. Working at Tamarack's exciting, and in the next 3 to 5 years, I would love to see us have active load alleviation on multiple airframes, ranging from all sizes, and show what the capability of active load alleviation can actually do for the sustainability and the eco-friendliness of aviation.